Yupoo Tutorial 2025: How to find the best Temu items. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Temu products on Yupoo. Start by visiting Yupoo and searching for sellers that specialize in Temu items. Use keywords like Temu haul, Temu clothes, or Temu bestsellers to narrow down your search. Sellers often organize their photos in albums, so browse through these carefully to see product variety and quality. Check the seller's profile and ratings. Higher rated sellers tend to have better product quality and reliable shipping. Pay attention to review and buyer comments on social media or forums to confirm the authenticity of the items. Look for detailed photos showcasing stitching, tags, and packaging. These details help verify the quality of the product before ordering. Also, check the size charts carefully because sizing can vary significantly between sellers. Compare your prices among different sellers to find competitive deals, but beware of prices that are too low, as they might indicate lower quality or counterfeit products. When you find a seller you like, contact them via the provided social media or messaging link to ask questions about shipping, payment methods, and customization options. And that's how you find the best Temu items on Yupoo in 2025.